New setup, new players, new managers, so just settling in and looking forward to the season really. I think I've been brought in to give that bit of experience, over 200 games in the league, and hopefully I can influence some of the young lads that he's brought in, share my experiences and bring that into the season. Target's got to be for survival I think for the season, so I think Druids they've never had a 10th place finish in the Welsh Prem, so our target is ultimately 10th place this season.
Dwi edrych ymlaen gymaint. First game yn ei car yn Bangor ar y 12th of August. Dwi'n edrych ymlaen yn adu. Wel, i cael ffwnc o Hw, wedyn oedd ddim yn gwybod beth i wneud, so i ffonio Joey Jones a dweud na mae Hw yn dda. A wedyn mynd i cael meeting efo Hw a o fi off i'r clwb, so ni mynd fan'na. Ni edrych around the club, a 3G mynd i mynd lawr. A dwi jyst edrych ymlaen gymaint.
Yeah, buzzing. It's been a long time. It's unfinished business for some of us players at Druids, so yeah, hopefully we give it a good go this year. We're looking to finish in that 10th spot to start with. Anything over that is a bonus, but we'll be approaching every game looking to win 10th spot and then move on from there.